Alright, I'm gonna assemble CPU, the RAM, and this motherboard. My case doesn't come in until Monday, so I'm just really eager and just want to start assembling. Just get it all ready, whatever. So, it'd be that much faster, I guess, whatever. And I'm bored. Alright, so. Oh, it's a AMD Phantom X6 processor. The one that runs at 3 gigahertz each. I'm gonna overclock it probably. Um, G.Skill, Ripsaw, RAM, DDR3, 1033, whatever. Each 4 gigabytes, so 8 gigabytes total. And I forget what this motherboard is, but it's really fucking good. Made by Gigabyte. It's really long. So I'm gonna try to assemble it. There she blows. Very nice. Smells fucking clean, like chemicals or whatever. And she is all 6 cores. Running at 3 gigahertz out of the box before turbocharge. Turbocharge kick it in at a 3.5 gigahertz, and usually very easily overclocked. Just gotta line the arrows. Just drops right in. Not a damn problem. Simple as that. Okay, next to RAM. G.Skill. Yeah. Oh, and the heatsink that came with this processor already has pre-applied thermal paste. I don't know. Just gonna use that for now, I guess. Maybe eventually get a better heatsink, but I'm not going to overclock it crazy or anything. This thing's already insanely more powerful than anything I've ever gotten. Let's open up retaining arms. DDR3 is slotted different than DDR2 to make sure the physical slot lines up. You can never put in the wrong DDR kind of memory. Oh shit. That'll make me look retarded. Let's straight take over that. Pops right in. One. Man, they got this thing with this packaging real good. There we go. All products came from Newegg. Ordered on Wednesday, got here from on Friday. Early Wednesday, and yeah, still here on Friday. But my case came from New Jersey, so it's gonna take till Monday because they don't ship over weekends or whatever. That's it. Very clean looking processor and RAM in blue and red, white. Almost looks like the American flag or some shit. Still got a real nice Radeon HD 5870 to put in here. Really great. I'm gonna film it all on when I put Windows 7 on it, do some strength tests, all that, see how fast it boots up. You'd be surprised, really am.